Good, Jackson?
That's you.
Nice view? Let's go check it out. Here we are. There's my husband. There's our champagne from New Year's Eve. Oh, it's too dark. Too bright. There's our house. There's our view. There's our little feeding area. That's the view right back there. What's that? Your reindeer? Where are the reindeer?
Bye-bye.
What did Santa bring you for Christmas?
2 toys.
2 toys? What did the reindeer eat?
With 2 fish.
What did they eat?
With food.
Carrots? Yeah, what did Santa eat?
Cookies.
Cookies and milk! Yay, Santa! What did Santa bring you?
Coffee Santa.
So, yeah, he brought you a clock. What else did he bring you?
Coffee Santa.
Yeah, a car. Yay, I love you. Jump, jump, jump. Kick, kick, kick. Backwards, forwards. I love you, sweetie.